In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add teams in Outlook. This process is straightforward and will enhance your productivity by allowing seamless integration of Microsoft Teams into your Outlook calendar. So let's get started. First, you need to open Outlook. This is your primary interface for handling emails and calendar events. You will see the familiar layout with folders on the left side and your current emails displayed in the center. This initial view is crucial because it sets the stage for all your scheduling needs. If you are using the desktop version, simply double-click on the Outlook icon. If you are using the web version, head to your preferred browser and navigate to Outlook.com. Once you have Outlook open, you are ready to move to the next step. Next, go to the calendar. In the Outlook application, you can find the calendar icon usually located at the bottom left of the screen. This section is where you manage all your meetings and appointments. Clicking on this icon switches your view from emails to your calendar, displaying your scheduled events in a monthly, weekly, or daily format. This is important because you need to visualize your schedule before adding new meetings. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as it will help you navigate your calendar more efficiently. Now click on New Teams Meeting if you are using Classic Outlook. If you are on New Outlook or Outlook on the web, click New Event. This action opens a new window specifically for creating your meeting. In this window, you will see various fields to fill out. It is vital to select the correct option based on the Outlook version you are using. This ensures that you are using the proper integration tools available for your version, making the process smoother. If you are using New Outlook or Outlook on the web, turn on the Teams Meeting toggle. This toggle is usually a simple switch that activates the Teams Meeting feature. By enabling this, you ensure that your meeting will automatically include a link to join via Microsoft Teams. This little step saves you a lot of time later because you won't have to manually add the Teams link. It streamlines the entire scheduling process, making it more efficient for everyone involved. After that, add the meeting title, attendees, date, and time. Make sure the title reflects the purpose of the meeting, as this helps attendees know what to expect. Adding attendees is crucial for collaboration, so be sure to input their email addresses correctly. Setting the date and time accurately is equally important to avoid confusion. This step is where you lay the groundwork for a successful meeting, ensuring all essential details are included up front. Next, enter any additional meeting details. This may include an agenda, location, or any notes that are relevant to the meeting. Providing this information helps attendees prepare adequately, making your meeting more productive. It shows your professionalism and consideration for the time of others. Take a moment to review what you have written, as clear communication is key to effective meetings. Finally, click Send. This action will send out the meeting invitations to everyone you included. Outlook automatically adds the Microsoft Teams meeting link to the invitation, ensuring that everyone can join easily. This finalizes the meeting setup and you will see a confirmation appear on your screen. You can now rest assured that your meeting is scheduled and everyone is informed. Overall, integrating Teams with Outlook is a powerful way to enhance your scheduling capabilities. By following these steps, you not only streamline your meeting process but also ensure effective communication with your team. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful.